In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Proton VPN on your MacBook, step by step. Before we start, if you're looking for a faster and more reliable VPN, check out the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. I'll explain why I recommend it later in the video. First, open your web browser and go to protonvpn.com. Once the website loads, look for the menu at the top and click on the Download button. On the Download page, scroll down and find the macOS section, then click Download. This will start downloading the Proton VPN installer file for Mac, which should be named something like Proton VPN_macOS. Wait for the download to finish, then open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will open showing the Proton VPN app icon and the Applications folder. Simply drag and drop the Proton VPN icon into the Applications folder to install it. Once installed, you can close the installer window and move the setup file to the trash if you want. Now, open Launchpad or go to your Applications folder, find the Proton VPN app, and open it. macOS might show a message saying this app was downloaded from the internet. Just click Open to continue. When the app launches, log in with your Proton VPN username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click Sign Up and create a free one on the website. After logging in, the app will ask for permission to add VPN configurations to your Mac. Click Allow, then confirm with your Mac password or Touch ID. Now the setup is complete. You can use Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest server. If you're on the free plan, you'll get access to limited countries, but it's enough to get started. If you have a paid plan, you can choose any server location from the list. Once connected, your internet traffic will be encrypted, and your IP address will be hidden, giving you more privacy and security online. Now, while Proton VPN is a solid choice, it may not always give you the best speeds or streaming access, especially on the free version. That's why many people prefer NordVPN. It's faster, works more smoothly with Netflix, Hulu, and other streaming platforms, and offers thousands of servers worldwide. It also includes advanced tools like threat protection, which blocks ads and malware, and MeshNet, which lets you securely connect your own devices anywhere. If you want a smoother and more powerful VPN experience, I recommend giving NordVPN a try. You can find the link in the description to get it at a great price.